Hi, so the group I'm going to be working with are students from the Czech Republic. They are all in the first stage of primary school, ages 8 to 10 years old, and they are all low-level beginners. The class size is about 20 students. So, good morning. How are you today? We're going to talk more about animals. As you can see, I am wearing an animal hat. What kind of animal is this in Czech? It's havran. Havran is a raven. And ravens fly. They flap their wings because they're birds. And they say, caw-caw, caw-caw, caw-caw. So raven is a type of bird. Are there one type of bird in the world? No, there are many types of birds in the world. So raven is one bird. Another bird is an owl. Now owls make the who sound like this. So this owl is a great horned owl, and you will see these all over America. They are the most common owl in America. Another bird you will see in America is the eagle. Everyone say it with me. Eagle. In Czech, it's orel, but in English, it's eagle. And eagles make this sound. So, owl, eagle, and raven are all birds, and all birds fly. Raven says, caw-caw, caw-caw, caw-caw. Owl says, and eagle says. Okay, so this activity included the use of realia, so my birds and my hat. And to help explain what a bird was, I transferred the word raven into Czech, which is havran, and the word eagle into Czech, which is orel, and use the demonstration of pantomime flapping my wings to show them what a bird was. And I think this activity was appealing to kids on visual levels because I had examples for them to see. I thought it was appealing on audio levels because I got to show them what kind of sounds a bird made and then had them reiterate what I said to them, because through repetition we build memory. And I also did some referencing into their L1 to help them understand. So I hope you enjoyed this demonstration, and let me know what you think. Bye.